Okay, so the fourth picture was a man is a man is a man is dressing at the mirror. Lieutenant Abhay, 23, Chhat Regiment, posted in Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. One day he got a responsibility from his CO to arrange a bada khana in the unit. Because of bada khana because of the commander visit. So Abhay goes to his room, make a plan. So Abhay goes to his room. Make a plan at a menu. Distributed the work to the soldiers. Distributed the work to the junior commissioned officers and the non-commissioned officers. And manage the chair, carpet, regimental flies, stands, draw from the battalion stole and make a good arrangement. The commander was very happy and also appreciated his work. Okay, and a person is calling on the phone. Lieutenant Dheeraj, 23, posted in the Assam, and he was posted in INT Corps. One day he got an information a stranger man has seen a near village to his area of responsibility. So he decided to give the information to CEO and make an eye on the stranger. Later he finds some suspicious activities of the strangers. Then he launched a mission to caught successfully and later on your registration. Number 6, vote with a masal. Okay. Vote with a masal. So Sub Lieutenant Amit, 24, in Visakhapatnam, one day he got an information related to the rescue of fishermen from the sea. Lieutenant information related to the rescue of the fishermen from the sea. The sea became violent and many fishermen were trapped there. Sea became violent and many fishermen were trapped there. So with the help of with the help of his teammate, he launches a mission. Rescue to save the fishermen. Yeah. Rescue, give them back to save the fishermen. He finds them and save from the sea and bring back to the port and give them first aid He was very happy because of he saves many lives. Okay. Ram 23, BTech student in IIT Hamirpur, Himachal Pradesh. He wanted to go with his friend for trekking in Manali, so he collected all the necessary materials required for trekking. First and dry ration, comparing tent, clothes, and all other items that they go to the Manali Valley to explore a stone for the mountain to the see the viewpoint they enjoyed in their trekking and came back home easily. Okay. Fifth, Atul, 25, is an assistant commander in NDRF. One day he got information that the one boat is stuck in the Hind Mahasagar and Indian Ocean, and lives some people lives are in danger. So he immediately launched the mission to rescue that. He with his teammates go to sea with the all safety measures and successfully locate them and rescue the people and boat and bring them back to the nearest port and give first aid. His commandant appreciated his work. So this is all together, guys, and we have to uh, ranks in Indian Coast Guards. Next, details of the officers in the Indian Coast Guard. Midshipman, Assistant Commandant, Midshipman, Assistant Commandant, Deputy Commandant, Commandant, Deputy Inspector General, Deputy Inspector General, Assistant Commandant, Assistant Midshipman, equivalent to the acting lieutenant in Assistant Commandant, equivalent to the acting lieutenant in only Assistant Commandant. Okay. This is the